So let's go ahead and try to measure a gap on this unit here. And I'm going to measure the gap of this piece up in here. Now, we're usually going to start with something fairly small and see if it fits. I'm going to go right now with a 5/1000th of an inch or 0.127 millimeters. And when I put that in here, that is pretty loose. That gap is very, very loose indeed. So I'm going to increase the thickness of my foil. I'm going to try a 7/1000th now. That's 0.178 millimeters. And as I do that, again, it slots in there pretty easily. It's pretty loose. So I'm going to go to 8 now. And as I put 8 in there, that just starts to bite just a little bit. It's just really pretty nice and snug right there. But to check I've got it right, what I'm going to do is go to the next size up and take the 9/1000th or 0.229 millimeters and try to get that in there. And when I do that, it will barely go in there. It's really tight. So that's really too tight. So I'm going to say that my gap for this one is